व्यूवर्स एंड वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू एट द चैनल जॉब टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में आपका होस्ट एक नई अपडेट के साथ जॉब एडवर्टीजमेंट से रिलेटेड है। काराकोरम इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर कुछ वैकेंसीज़ की अनाउंसमेंट हुई है। हम वन बाय वन डिस्कस करते हैं कौन सी वैकेंसी है और उसमें अप्लाई करने का तरीकाकार क्या है। तो डिटेल वीडियो की तरफ जाने से पहले जो व्यूवर इस चैनल पर नए हैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर लाजमी क्लिक करें ताकि जो भी न्यू जॉब यहाँ पे अपडेट हो तो ड्यू डेट से पहले आपको पता लग जाए और आप जो हैं वो ड्यू डेट से पहले अप्लाई कर सकें। अब चलते हैं डिटेल वीडियो की तरफ। काराकोरम इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी गिलगित बल्तिस्तान। Karakoram International University is established China Study Center under PSTP project of Higher Education Commission, which is financed for 3 years 2021 to 2024 under academic collaboration with under CPEC consortium of universities at Karakoram International University main campus, Gilgit. Applications are invited from potential candidates for the below mentioned temporary position to be appointed on purely project based contract position for a period of 1 year, which is likely to be renewed on yearly performance based off for maximum of 3 years of a project life. The selected candidate will have no right to claim for conversion into regular appointment, as undertaking shall be furnished by the final selected candidate to this effect. In case of candidate applying through proper channel and serving in higher HEI government semi-government institutions, their pay will be protected as per rule. Detail of the position and general terms and condition eligibility criteria are under. सबसे पहले जो सीट है हमारे पास एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर की है। इसमें एज पर HEC क्राइटेरिया फॉर एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर विजिट दिस लिंक। सैलरी पैकेज है सैलरी इक्वल टू BPS 20 एज इज एप्लीकेबल टू Karakoram International University faculty. Advance increment may be recommended as per HEC criteria in case of more qualification and experience than required. Candidate having PhD in the discipline of social sciences and humanities and academic teaching research employees as on China Study Belt and Road Initiative, regional economic integration, knowledge of Chinese language, culture, higher education and research shall be preferred. Additional mark will be assigned to such attributes. असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर की एक सीट है एज पर HEC क्राइटेरिया ऑफ असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर। सैलरी इक्वल टू BPS 19 is applicable to Karakoram International University. The candidate must be a proficient in Chinese language. Candidate having PhD in the discipline of social sciences and humanities with academic teaching research emphasize on China studies, Belt and Road Initiative, regional economic integration and knowledge of Chinese language, culture, higher education and research shall be preferred. Additional marks will be assigned to such attributes. Lecturer Chinese language teacher एक सीट है एज पर क्राइटेरिया ऑफ lecturer visit this link. Salary equal to BPS 18 is applicable to Karakoram International University faculty. That the candidate must be a proficient in Chinese language. Candidate having MS in discipline of social sciences and humanities with academic coursework, teaching research experience on Chinese language, Chinese literature and history, China studies, Belt and Road Initiative, regional economic integration and knowledge of China language, culture, higher education and research shall be preferred. Additional marks will be assigned to such attributes. Laboratory assistant की एक सीट है having higher secondary school certificate with 1 year diploma in IT from recognized institution or metric with 1 year diploma in IT from a recognized institution with 2 year of working experience. Fixed salary 34,000 रुपये per month है. Preference will be given to the candidate having degree diploma in library science and hand-on skill in library automation. For further detail, visit Karakoram International University official website www.kiu.edu.pk और ये एडवर्टीजमेंट दी है मोहम्मद नज़ाकत, मैनेजर HR काराकोरम इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी रोड गिलगित। फ़ोन नंबर है 051811960057. That's all about today's advertisement regarding vacancy announcement at Karakoram International University. We welcome soon inshallah more videos. Please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. Please like, share, watch our videos and support us. Thank you.